In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up my Hudl SportsCode basketball code window. Now, there's only three things you need to change on this code window to set it up for your team. So the first one is these two buttons over here. This is the home team and the away team. These are going to change the names and the colors of all the relevant buttons on the window. So ideally, you don't actually have to change any scripting on the window. So the home team's the team that you're coding for. So we're just going to use Ohio State as our example. I'm just going to keep them red as they already are. And then the away team is going to be Michigan. And then I'm going to make them a dark blue. I will press execute, and you'll see that all those colors will change. Well, just the blue colors will change. The red colors were already red because of Ohio State, but now everything over here, if you look at the gray bar, will be called Michigan missed 3 and missed 2 and made 2. Then the offense will be called Ohio State offense and Ohio State defense, and everything will be as it should be. Even the colors for these shooting charts here will change as well. The second thing we need to change is add our personnel. So on the substitution matrix over here, we select all the buttons. Then we need to deselect some because we don't want all these buttons. That's just the quickest way to do it. And then you need to upload your CSV file. So I'm just going to upload an Ohio State one. And then what you can do is you can select, player 1 can be your point guards, player 2 can be your point guards, player 3 can be all your players, hence why it's longer. Player 4 can be your one of your bigs, and your player 5 can be your other big. So technically you could just have, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whoever plays those numerical positions can also fill these gaps. So then you add your players, and then you can add those to the main window by clicking them in code mode, which I'm just going to show you quickly. So then code mode, you click all these players, and they show up over here. The last thing you need to change on this window is your plays. So down here you'll see there's Pack 1, Pack 2, and Pack 3. And they will change to Pack 1, Pack 2, and Pack 3 as you click these different toggle buttons. Pick and roll in the middle will not change, but all the buttons around pick and roll will change. So what you need to do to change the names of these buttons is you can select them, go into the scripting, and I've written it even down for you. It says put play names within quotations after rename. So after rename there's a quotation marks, and that's where you put your play names. So if we say put horns, I'm just going to put random words here, sloppy, and say flow. When we go back into code mode and we go into 1 horns, 2 sloppy, 3 flow, you can do that for the rest of your label buttons, and you have all, I think it is now 24 plays accessible to you. And you don't have to have pick and roll because that's already there, already accessible for you. So that's all you have to change for this code window to set it up. Hopefully that helps. There'll be other videos about other topics around this code window if you look in the description below as well. Thank you very much and hope it helps.